Good morning, student. Welcome back to class 11th maths and exercise 1.3. First topic subset. Subsets. This is an important topic. Okay, for competition level and examination level. Subset. The definition of subset. A set A be a subset of be a subset of a set B. You can let B. Okay. B. If every element of A is also an element of B, right? Element of B means set A, element of set A is belongs to in set B. B does not belongs to A. Okay, so only element of A belongs to this is denoted by A subset this B. This is a subset and A is also proper subset. This is formal proper subset. Proper subsets. So then CBSE also given to NCERT in this is also a subset. So you have symbols, no problem. Can later, okay. So A is a this subset or this form according to NCERT, right? So next is form A. For example, you are a member of a family. Okay, a family have mother, father, and a house. So you are child of the parents. So parents is a member family of a house, and you are a member of another set. So you are belongs to house. Okay, family also belongs to house. House is a set and member are is a subset. Okay, so next suppose a school have many classes. So a class special 11th class in a school. The 11th class is a subset of a school. A school have many classes. Okay, so A means 11th class, 12th class, or anyway, and one class is also a subset of school. Clear? And next, intervals of subset. Intervals of subsets. This is important definition and this is also important topic. Okay, this interval, this closed A comma B, this is a closed, okay, closed interval. Closed interval means both side capital bracket, this capital bracket. So this capital bracket means in set builder form, this prime. A is less than equal X is less than equal B. Okay, this form. This is a closed and this denoted by on line. This A and B both and dark, this dark. Okay, A dark and B is also dark and another line is drawn on a line. This is a close B means use A and B, and this side A comma B is closed. So this is interval. A is less than only. This is a small bracket or this capital bracket. This X is less than, this capital side is a less than equal. Okay, so this graph by graph A and B. A is not closed. This touch only touch, but less than. A is less than, but B is also used. Dark of the B portion. Okay, and same A comma B. This type. Then A is less than, X is less than B. Okay, the by graph A and B. A and B. B is dark with capital bracket. Okay, and drawn line of this below less than b, right? This less than b, and both open interval. This is a open interval. A is less than x is less than b. This type graph A and B dark only middle, no touch A or B. Clear? This is a interval with graph and set builder form type. Next, power set. Power set definition. The collection of all subsets of a set is called a power set. Clear? The collection of all subsets of a set is called power set. Called a power set. This denoted by P of A. Suppose A is a set. The collection of all subsets of a set not given to A specially, okay, is called a power set. This denoted by P of set A. Let A be the set, okay. So the power of set denoted by this type. Clear? Suppose for example A set equal to 1 and 5 elements. The power set, P of power set, this equal to 5. 5 is null set. This compulsory in a set. Find the subset. So 5 is also subset. And 5 only, this 5 is denoted by, okay. And 1 and 5 and 1 5. Total 1 2 3 4. Total 4 power set. Clear? This type solution. So now let us exercise 1.3. Question number 1. Make correct statement by the filling in the symbols, these symbols, or does not a subset, that is not a subset, in blank space. You can first start. First 2 3 and 4 is a set. Dot 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 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 and 5. This is also subset. 1 2 3 4 2 3 4 2 3 4 is given. So 2 3 4 2 3 4 is a subset. 2 3 is a subset. Every element of A belongs to element B. Clear? According to definition. And second part, A B C dot dot B C and D. A B B C given, but A is not given, so that is not a subset. Not a subset. Clear? And you can solve. And third part, X such that is a subset of class 11th of your school. Clear? Dot 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 and X such that X, set builder form, students of your school. Clear? X such that is a subset of class 11th of your school. Of your X such that as subsets is a student. Is a student, not subset. Students. Okay, so X such that X is a student of class 11th of your school. Clear? 11th class student. X such that a student of your school. This is a union set. This belongs to this. So already is a subset. Clear? student 11th, you are also belongs to 11th class, your class section 11th, and school in PP Sawani is a union. PP Sawani have 1 2 3 so on, many classes, so there is also subset. Clear? And solve other part, and if any doubt you can ask to me. And question number 2, examine whether the following statement are true or false. First A B, okay, this given B C and A. AB is also subset of BCA, but given that not subset, that is false. Second part, AE subset X, such that X is a vowel in the English alphabet. Okay, English alphabet. So AE, English alphabet, 5 vowels, A E I O U. Okay, whole vowels is 5, so AE is also vowel, so therefore is a subset. This is true, है ना. Second, third is also 1 2 3 subset 1 3 and 5. Just note, this is not a subset. 1 2 3 1 3 5, okay, 2 is not given, this is not a subset. Not a subset given in this condition, that is false. Okay, so next part can solve. And question number 3, important question. Let A equal to 1 2 3 4 and 5. See the question number 3, whether the following statement are incorrect. And why? First part, 3 4 subset of A. Incorrect या correct? 3 4 is correct or not correct? Incorrect. Why? 3 4 is a element in set A. This, see that 1 is separate element, 2 is also separate element, 3 4 is also separate element, and 5 is also element. Clear? So 3 4 is element, means 3 4 belongs to A, means 1, this is a 1. Then 1 belongs to A, does not a subset. This is a only belongs A, but not a subset. This is not a subset. This is also incorrect. 3 4 belongs to A. This is origin. Clear? Belongs to A. This is element. And second part, 3 4 belongs to A. This right, correct. Okay. And third, 3 4 middle bracket or middle bracket is a subset of A, right? This is right. This is changed to this middle brackets show the only element, and this middle bracket changed to set. Okay, set of element is called a subset of A. That's right. This is only set. तो this is element already given A का element का subset जैसे बनाएंगे तो this is already subset. This one belongs to A, but one this type, so this is a subset of A, or one is also a belong. One belongs to A, but this type is already subset of A, right? Clear? So this is also this element of middle bracket. This is also subset. This is correct. Okay. And fourth, 1 belongs to, this is also आगे comment question. 1 is belong to right, true, correct. And fifth, 1 is subset of A, incorrect. Clear? 1 is not a subset, 1 is a element of A, 1 is element of A. This is also a belongs करेगा, this is 1 belong, not a subset. हाँ, ये this set this set in form, this is also subset. And similarly you can solve a fifth and sixth part 1 2 5 is a subset, right? It is also already subset. 1 2 5 1 2 and 5 is also a subset. Okay, and this sixth part, seventh part 1 2 3 1 2 5 1 2 5 belongs to A. This is false. 1 2 5 one element, 2 element, 5 is already separated belongs to A. Does not is a, this is also set, this is a set, or this set belongs to A, this is a subset. This is incorrect. Clear? This is a subset. 1 2 5 is a subset of A. This seventh, then after eighth part, 1 2 3 is a subset? No, incorrect. Why? 1 2 3 1 2 3 comma 4 is also separate element, or 3 not belongs to this side and not belong to this side. 3 is not a element of A. That is 3 comma 4 is a element of A, right? So this is not correct. And ninth part, 5 is a subset, 5 is subset of A, incorrect. Okay, why? 5 is element, 5 is a element, so this 5 is null set is not a subset. This is changed to, this is form is already subset. Okay, and 10th, 5 is belongs subset of A, this right, correct. Okay, 5 in change in middle bracket is also a subset, or this subset is of A. Clear? Why not a given when 5 is not, 5 is not a element of A. This is also not a subset. This is form is also subset. Element change to subset. Okay, 5 null set is compulsory. Clear? And 11th, this is also 11th, no? This is 11th. And 10th, this 10th, 5 sub this 10th. Okay, you confuse this side. 5 this 9th, 5 belongs to A, false, incorrect, because 5 is not a given element in A. Okay, so next question number 4. Question number, what does all the subsets of the following sets A? Okay, find all subsets. This is a set A. Subsets equal to 5. 5 is compulsory in every set. Okay, 5 not a in bracket middle. Okay, only 5. This is a set, or this is A. Only 2 sets, 2 subsets. Clear? And second part, A comma B, this set, this subsets equal to A, B, A comma B, and 5, 4 set. And third part, 4 exam set 1 2 and 3. This is A, okay, तो 5 and 1 and 2 3 1 comma 2 1 comma 3 and 2 comma 3 and 1 2 comma 3 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 total 8 sets subsets. Clear? Well solved. And question number 5, how many elements of P of a P power of set if a equal to 5 only 1? Clear? 1 है 1 ही 5 है. 6 question. 6, write the following interval. In interval, number first, x such that x belongs to real, minus 4 is less than x is less than equal to 6. This is changed to set builder roster form. Rest minus, this is also minus 4 small bracket and less than equal to comma capital bracket. Clear? And second part, x such that x belongs to real, minus 12 is less than x is less than minus 10. Okay, this change to minus 12, this small bracket comma minus 10 small bracket. Clear? Solve other part already. Solve 7 question. Write down the interval in set builder form. Set builder form, this form. Okay, first minus 3 comma 0. Minus 3 is integer or already real. All integer are real, all natural number are real. Okay, so minus 3 comma 0, this change to x such that x belongs to that is real and minus 3 is less than x is less than 0. Next, can you solve question number, this third part, small and 12 capital bracket. This changes to x such that x belongs to real. Okay, this 6 is less than x is less than equal to 12. And solve other parts. Other parts. And question number 8 and 9 already. 8 is very simple. Universal is not a universal set, first and second also. Okay, 9 is already given set A 1 3 and 5, B equal to 2 4 and 6, and C equal to 0 2 4 6 and 8. Which of the following be a conducted for universal sets of all three set A, B, C? Universal set U of A, B, C. Clear? So U equal to all element of. So this is 0, 0, 1. This 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 common. This 8 also. Okay, 8. So 0 1 2 3 4, 0 1 2 3 4, first is wrong, 5 is not second, third 1 2 3 0 not a 0, and fourth part third is right. This 7 is also 8 9 10 so on. Okay, so this is third part is right, is a universal. Okay, solve remaining part of this question number. Okay, homework, question number 1 to 9 of remaining parts. Clear? And if any doubt you can ask to me. Okay, individually or in this group. Okay, thank you.